love is meant only for Krishna. Because love is actually an energy that is with the soul. That actually, the energy or the force that enables one to become united. Right? Now, when we are oblivious of Krishna, then we tend to offer that love to different other objects. But that love is never fully satisfied or fulfilled. Even Romeo and Juliet, in spite of their deep loving relationship, had to part. And the thing is, it is actually meant to be offered to Krishna. Why? Because it is the ability that is inherent with the soul to be connected to Krishna. We all are parts and parcels of Krishna. We all belong to Krishna. Therefore, we have to be connected to Krishna. The means to be connected is love, the energy that is there with the soul. Therefore, as you said, Prabhupada said that it's meant only to be offered to Krishna. Otherwise, that love is never successful. No matter wherever we repose it, heart is not fully content. And the outcome of love, through love, we are actually seeking for joy. Right? The purpose of love or the objective of love is to to enjoy. Right? And unless and until we repose offer our love to Krishna, we can never experience that joy that our hearts are always hankering for. But when it is done, then the heart is completely content. Heart is completely joyful. Therefore, there is no way of breaking that loving relationship.